Hello everyone, welcome to my Java tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'll be covering the relational operators and equality operators in Java. So let's begin. Now again, for explaining them, I'll be using two variables and I'll just go on using the different operators with these variables. Okay, so let's start. Now, okay, there are four relational operators: less than equal to, greater than, and greater than equal to. So I'll start with the first one. Now when I say A less than B, so this is our first relational operator, and what it will do is it will just compare A and B and see if the value of A is less than B. Now in this case, A is 7 and B is 9, so A is less than 7. So the value of this expression should be evaluated to true. Let's run this, and yes, the answer which we get is true. Now the next operator is less than equal to. Now even in this case, the value should be evaluated to true. Let's run it, and yes, it is true. Now the next operator is greater than. Now in this case, A is not greater than B because A is 7 and B is 9. So this should return false. Let's run this. Yes, it has returned false. Now again, the next operator is greater than equal to. Even this should return false. Okay. And yes, after running, we get the correct output. Okay, so these four were the relational operators, and now I'm going to explain you the equality operator. Now the equality operator is represented by a double equal to, and what it does is it just checks the two values for equality. So it will check if the two values are equal. And remember, it is not a single equal to, because if it is a single equal to, then it means it is an assignment operator. But in this case, it is a double equal to, which means it is a equality operator. Okay, so this should return false because A is not equal to 9. So let's run this. Yes, it is false. And we have one more operator over here, which is called not equal to, and it will just check if A is not equal to B. And in this case, yes, A is not equal to B, so it should return true. Let's run this, and yes, the output is true. So these were the equality operators. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next tutorial.